to wash your hands.
Mm-hmm.
3. Say please and thank you. Number 5. Help your friends. Number 7. Number 6. Number 1. Eat your veggies. 2. Wash your hands.
Number 4. What's number 4?
Number 4. Number 4. Be kind.
Number 6.
Number 6. So.
And number 7?
7. Say your prayers.
How about saying thank you, Aunt Michelle? Look at her. Say thank you, Aunt Michelle.
Okay.
Now this was from Aunt Michelle. Can you say thank you, Aunt Michelle?